Fill valve troubleshooting. When there is an issue with water filling the tank, first open the tank lid. Check if the float moves smoothly. If the water inflow is very slow or there is no inflow at all. In addition to checking the float's movement, inspect the fill valve's filter screen and the connected hose. Reach under the fill valve base and unscrew the hose and its securing components. Remove the fill valve and the secured hose. After removing the fill valve, take out the filter screen at its end. Clean the filter screen thoroughly. If the issue is low flow or slow filling, check for blockages in the filter screen and ensure the hose is not bent. Once the filter is cleaned and the hose is confirmed to be in good condition, reinstall the fill valve. Hold the fill valve firmly in place to prevent it from shifting. If the fill valve moves during hose or screw tightening, misalignment may occur, creating gaps that could lead to leaks. Securely tighten the screws and reconnect the hose. Open the water supply valve and test the water inflow. If the water fills normally, the troubleshooting is complete. Close the tank lid